some of these organizations just want you to do things so fast, so quickly. There's barely any time for planning. And if you try to push back and try to extend the timeline, they might look at you and think you don't know what you're doing. And so the automation piece will only help us be a lot more efficient in how we do networking. And then where I feel the biggest opportunity is will be in integrating different platforms and different systems together. Also building custom dashboards that pull in information from everywhere. And this is where AI will come into play as well. Is you could really build out a platform of network automation, also the insights and intelligence that you can grab from all of these systems and be able to leverage one big package of network engineering, Wi-Fi, um, network automation, and AI.